Elsewhere, the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission, or IEBC Dispute Resolution Committee, says the law on party lists for marginalized groups and people with disabilities should be amended to set clear criteria on who qualifies to be nominated by political parties in Parliament and county assemblies. Now, the committee's chairman, Thomas Letangule, has also urged political parties to adopt internal party democracy in order to reduce disputes. He was speaking at the launch of the case digest of the decisions of the committee, which handled close to 2,000 complaints from the last poll.
I'm happy that political leaders are here and they can hear what I'm saying, because mostly we were handling disputes which they ought to have done it themselves. And going forward, we will propose the law to be changed in such a way that political parties can address their own disputes. Political parties must be strengthened to look at their their nomination process, to be fair, to have even their own mechanisms of handling disputes arising from their nomination process before it comes to the commission. There is also need to see how nomination process, the law can be strengthened. For example, operationalizing the provisions of Article 100, which deals with marginalized people and minorities, so that a clear definition of who is marginalized and who is not is stated in the law, so that we can know how to pick a marginalized person from a list. And then also the issue of disability. We had challenges about how to pick a disabled person.
One of the success stories of 2013 elections, which must be said without any fear of contradiction, was the manner in which the IEBC Committee on Election Dispute Resolution managed and determined and disposed of the cases that were filed before them within a record time.
In our view, the primary institutions of democracy are political parties. Fairness and level playing fields must obviously start at this level. If political parties continue to bungle their nominations, then the country's democracy is actually lying on eggshells. The PPTT would like to encourage and insist that internal party institutions should demonstrate maturity, tolerance, and fairness.